I'm going to show you how to improvise on worship section. Okay, guys? So, like you can hear, like I played in the other video, how to improvise on worship section, okay? And that song I was doing in the key of G sharp. Okay, that is the key of G sharp. On the second string here, we have it here. Okay? Okay, so that is the key of G sharp. We also have it here also. On this shape, we have the key G sharp on this shape, okay? Okay, so when it comes to improvisation, when it comes to worship songs, a lot of people find it difficult to improvise on worship. But the most important thing about worship song is when you're improvising on worship song, at first try to know the chord progression. Okay, try to know the chord progression. Okay, the champion of the okay, that is a one chord. It's Captain of me, my dear song. Is you alone, my dear. Go to VAR chord now, your VAR chord. But I'm playing the kind of source chord there. I know you rain on the rain, that's all. Okay, first thing you need to know is that try to know your chord progression. When you know your chord progression, you'll be able to improvise on that particular worship song, because you won't really want to play the chord. Okay, you really want to play the chords, because the keyboard, maybe if you are playing with two keyboards, the two keyboards will be banging on the chord. That will play on the chord on background. Okay, so as a lead guitarist, all you could do is you can keep on playing those things I was playing. The champion of you just keep on the progression of the song, okay? Just be following the song, okay? Just be following the song, okay? So the second thing is that you need to try and know the rhythms of the songs, okay? The notes of the songs. You need to know the notes of the song. I come before. That is the intro of the song. I come before. Understand? Just stuff like that. The way I'm improvising it, okay? Now I'm going to your mid chord now. Okay, now I play. The one music. The one music. So most time, as a guitarist, a lead guitarist, one of the things you need to start learning, like I said in my previous videos, is how to harmonize your notes, how to make some pullover when you're playing. Okay, it's very, very vital. Okay, so I'm going to drop the video on the hashtag here so you can go and watch. Okay, stuff like this. That is a pullover. The pullover is the pull-on is stuff like that. Okay, it's really vital when it comes to worship songs so that you can be able to flow very well. Okay, you'll be able to come to this shape now. This is the key of G sharp. When you play on this shape, like the champion, okay, stuff like that. But you need to be fast so it could make sense, so you could get some harmonies inside. Okay. Okay, so when you get to this shape now, you can come to this shape and play. Stuff like that. Then I play something like okay. Dirty song, mi re do, okay, mi re do re mi song. So all what I was playing here was just the pentatonic vamping, okay? Okay, like the pentatonic shape. This is the pentatonic shape. Do re mi song. In the key of G sharp, that is the pentatonic shape. So I was just playing over the pentatonic shape. Okay. I believe with these tips you will be able to know how to improvise when it comes to worship section, because most worship songs just need you to be flowing along. Like songs like that need you to be flowing with the songs, need you to be improvising with the songs. Okay, to bring out the more harmony, to make it sound good. Okay, but all you need to do is you need to just be on the low. Okay, you need to just be on the low. Just be on the low. You don't overplay. You don't overplay. You just be following the song. Okay, that's why I said at first try and know the lyrics of the song and also know the notes of those songs. Okay, now you can know how to work the song head to toe, head to toe. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, you can hit on the comment section. I will give you a reply as soon as possible. All right, then guys, thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it.